हम्म
that is your books.
That is your book. Okay, that is your book. That means वह. That means this और that में फर्क क्या है?
मैम these.
नहीं, these नहीं बोल रही हूँ. This और that का फर्क क्या है? These नहीं बोलो बेटा. प्रोनाउंसिएशन में फर्क पड़ता है.
Singular.
This means singular. These means plural.
Yes, I am saying this.
That में, हाँ, this और that में फर्क क्या है?
मैम दिस में मैम ये मतलब हो कि यह मेरी चीज, मैम
ये मेरी चीज है. और that is my pen means that मतलब क्या हुआ फिर? वह. वेरी गुड. तो यह और वह में फर्क क्या हुआ? This means which is kept near you, and that means which is kept far, at the far. Okay, so that shows the distance. This shows the nearness. This मतलब जो मेरे पास है, that is this, और जो मेरे से दूर है, that is called that. ठीक है. अब that का तुमने क्या बोला था? That का भी कुछ बोला है सेंटेंस.
That is your notebook.
Okay, that is your notebook. That means the notebook is kept far from you. तो तुम दूर वाली चीज को दिखा के बोल रहे हो that, और पास वाली चीज को दिखाओगे तो बोलोगे this. Now those, that is used with the singular. Those का बोलो. Those बोलो. What is those?
Yes, ma'am.
Those means that the many things at the far, many things which are kept or which are there at the far, which is at a distance from you. तुमसे दूर बहुत सारी चीजें रखी हैं, तब वो तुम बोलोगे those. और तुमसे दूर एक चीज है तो बोलोगे that. जल्दी से बोलो. Those are my friends. कुछ भी सिखा दो. हाँ, you are also thinking that. Yes. तो देखो, I have read your mind. ठीक है. Those are my friends. जो लड़के दूर खड़े हुए हैं, those are my friends. तो those is used with many and at a distance. ठीक है. तो those is used with the plural and that is used with the singular. That means जो दूर है पर सिंगुलर है, एक है. और those means जो दूर है और बहुत सारा है, many. So that is called the difference between क्या था? The difference between that and those. Now the third thing is this and that may be used before uncountable noun. अभी तो हम सारे countable पढ़ रहे थे. जैसे तुमने फर्स्ट सेंटेंस क्या बोला था? This is my pen. सेकेंड तुमने क्या बोला था? These are my क्या था? Books. थर्ड बोला था that is your notebook. हाँ, that is your notebook. Okay, these boys are very naughty. तो all तुमने जितने whatever examples you have given, those all are countable. ठीक है ना? सब countable थे. जैसे boys भी थे countable, books भी थे countable, pens भी थे countable, everything was countable. Now, the third point you have to write that this and that may be used before uncountable nouns also. लिखो चलो. तो उसका फिर हम एग्जाम्पल करेंगे. This and that may be used before uncountable nouns also.
Yes, ma'am.
लिख लिया? Okay.
No. Ma'am, can you repeat?
This and that may be used before uncountable nouns also. मीन्स व्हेन द नाउन्स आर अनकाउंटेबल, ओके, क्वांटिटी वाली चीज है जिसको हम काउंट नहीं कर पा रहे, एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो वी कैन यूज दिस और दैट. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है मेरी बात? चलो अब इसके एग्जाम्पल्स लिखो. दिस वाटर इज प्योर, दिस वाटर इज वेरी प्योर, और दिस वाटर इज क्लीन. तो हियर वाटर इज अनकाउंटेबल, वाटर को हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते, बट वी यूज दिस टू डेमोन्स्ट्रेट इट, टू शो इट. समझ में आया? पर हम दीज वाटर नहीं बोल सकते, दीज वाटर्स हम नहीं बोल सकते. ठीक है, दीज कुड नॉट बी यूज्ड विथ अनकाउंटेबल, बट दिस इज यूज. THIS को हम यूज कर सकते हैं अनकाउंटेबल के साथ. नाउ सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, दैट क्लाउड इज फ्लोटिंग अवे. दैट क्लाउड इज फ्लोटिंग अवे. That means again we are showing a cloud which is at the far from us, and which is showing which is very far from us. That cloud is floating. Float करना किसको बोलते हैं? FLOATING, floating. You know, floating away. तो means वो बह के जा रहा है. That cloud is floating away means वो बह के जा रहा है. And cloud is very far from you. But we can use that. पर हम clouds नहीं बोल सकते. Okay? ठीक है? Understood? Okay. Now children, sorry. Now beta, now fill in the blanks करते हैं. Now do an exercise. Fill in the blanks with this, that, these or those. Fill in the blanks with this, that, these or those. ठीक है? Anyone which you will think that appropriate, that word you have to use.
Ma'am, this, that, those.
This, that, these and those. ठीक है, 4 में से. तो these 4 are the demonstratives and which are also determiners. चलो अब करते हैं. Dash bouquet is lovely.
Please wait for
What happened? Dash bouquet, BOUQUET, bouquet. इसमें T क्या होता है? साइलेंट होता है. Dash bouquet is lovely as dash. Dash bouquet is lovely as dash. Flowers are fresh.
lovely.
As, then dash, flowers are fresh. Full stop. Now tell me what we will write here.
Yes. Ma'am, this bucket is lovely.
पूरा बोलो.
Ma'am, this bucket is lovely. As those flowers are fresh.
Okay, this bouquet. T नहीं बोलना है. मैंने क्या बोला? T is silent. This bouquet. Say bouquet. Bucket नहीं बोलोगे. Bucket will be the balti. BUCKET. अगर आप bucket बोलोगे तो उसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन डिफरेंस हो जाएगा और वो बाल्टी कहलाएगा. BUCKET, बकेट. हियर इट इज बोके. BO, बोके. तो दिस बोके, बिकॉज बोके इज द वन, है ना? तो दिस THIS, दिस बोके इज लवली एज. अब द सेकेंड डैश में क्या होगा? दोस्त क्यों होगा? जब दिस लगा रहे हो तो दिस के साथ क्या होता है? These आएगा. हाँ, दिस का प्लूरल लगाओ ना. दिस बोके इज लवली एज दीज फ्लावर्स आर फ्रेश. क्योंकि एक बोके के अंदर बहुत सारे फ्लावर्स हैं, तो फ्लावर्स से पहले आपको प्लूरल लगाना है, और बोके इज सिंगल, सो उससे पहले आपको सिंगुलर लगाना है. तो दिस बोके इज लवली एज दीज फ्लावर्स आर फ्रेश. अंडरस्टूड? Okay, next one. I was not in favor of. I was not in favor of selecting dash roses at the next shop.
At the shop.
At the next shop. Next shop. Okay, try to understand. I was not in favor of selecting dash roses at the next shop. What is the meaning of it?
Sentence again once.
I was not in favor of selecting dash roses at the next shop. So what will be the right word here? Roses है तो अगेन roses means plural, तो आपको plural में से देखना है. Either you have to put these or you have to put those. These या those में से एक भरना है. कौन सा भरना है?
Yes, mama. Also, mama, I'm confused.
कौन सा भरोगे? Roses means plural है तो plural वाला word भरना है. अब plural word भी दो हैं, these भी है, those भी है, तो which one you have to fill?
Mama, those.
Those. Why those? You should be clear of it. Why those? Those क्यों भरा है?
मैम क्योंकि वह उनके बारे में बात कर रहा है.
नहीं. These और those में फर्क क्या होता है? These means पास वाली चीज बहुत सारी और those means दूर वाली चीज बहुत सारी. तो यहाँ next shop है. That means again the shop is at a distance. शॉप मेरे सामने नहीं है. मैं जिस शॉप पे खड़ा हूँ वो वाला this होगा और जो दूर वाला शॉप क्या है? That होगा. पर यहाँ रोजेस की बात हो रही है. द रोजेस विच आर केप्ट एट द नेक्स्ट शॉप. तो नेक्स्ट शॉप क्या है? डिस्टेंस में है, तो इसलिए हमें क्या लगाना है? दोज. ठीक है, तो क्या होगा? आई वॉज नॉट इन फेवर ऑफ सिलेक्टिंग दोज रोजेस एट द नेक्स्ट शॉप. क्योंकि वो वाली रोजेस हम बोल रहे हैं, दूर है वो वाली रोज. मेरे पास नहीं रखा है, वो दूसरे दुकान में है तो वो दूर है. तो दूर है इसलिए हमें दोज लगाना है. Got it? Okay, आगे लिखो. Because
सेंटेंस
नहीं, इसी का ही कंटिन्यूएशन में है. Because dash shopkeeper, because dash shopkeeper does not bring fresh flowers every day. Because that dash shopkeeper does not bring fresh flowers every day. What is the meaning of it? Now write the last sentence. I am sure my mother will be happy to get dash bouquet because she loves flowers. Again I am repeating. I am sure my mother will be happy to get dash bouquet because she loves flowers. So what will be the right answer? I am sure my mother will be happy to get this bouquet because she loves flowers. Because I am presenting it to my mother, it is very near to me and bouquet is again single, so we will use this here. Okay, so ultimately the whole paragraph will be, this bouquet is lovely as these flowers are fresh. I was not in favor of selecting those roses at the next shop because that shopkeeper does not bring fresh flowers every day. I am sure my mother will be happy to get this bouquet because she loves flowers. I hope you understood this one, demonstratives. Now we will learn about the possessives. Possessives, as you know, which show the belongingness. The possessive words shows the belongingness or ownership. Okay. like my, our, their, your, his, her, its, etc. Now let us practice that. Possessive means when we my, yes, when we use the words which shows the belongingness. My, our, their, your, his, her, its, etc. लिख लो. My, our, OUR को our नहीं बोलते, क्या बोलते हैं? R. R. My, comma, our, comma, their, THEIR. Their, comma, your, comma, his, comma, her, and ITS, its. ITS कुछ लोग लिखते हैं IT apostrophe S, that means it is. That means it's नहीं, वो भी एक बहुत बड़ा मिस्टेक करते हैं बच्चे. IT apostrophe S means it is, that is the short form of is. और हमें यहाँ पर कोई apostrophe नहीं लगाना है. ITS together, it's. These are the possessives. ये सब possessives है, ठीक है? Now I will give you one fill in the blanks. You have to do. I think all of you know all the word how to use these words. पता है ना? Okay. So we can do directly the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with possessives. Exercise. Which exercise it will be? 3 or 4 पता नहीं. देखो. Fill in the blanks with possessives. Now start writing.
It will be number 4.
4. Okay. Please write. Dash school bus was late. Dash school bus was late. So we waited under a tree.
No.
Okay, full stop. We kept dash bags.
Ma'am, second.
उसी के हाँ सेकेंड है पर पैराग्राफ टाइप का है. We kept dash bags under a tree and we played in dash shade. Full stop.
Ma'am, and we played.
And we played, PLAYED, played in dash shade, 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 full stop. Some monkeys were sitting on the trees. Some monkeys were sitting on the trees with dash tails. With dash tails, TAILS, tails. Hanging above our heads. Hanging above, ABOVE. Dash tails, hanging above, ABOVE, our heads. Full stop.
Ma'am, hanging our.
Above, ABOVE. Above मतलब क्या होता है?
ऊपर.
ऊपर. Hanging above our heads. Hanging above our heads. Full stop. One of the boys pulled, PULLED. One of the boys pulled a monkey's tail.
Ma'am, one of the boy.
One of the boys, plural, BOYS, pulled, PULLED, pulled. Pulled मतलब?
Ma'am, one of the boys.
One of the boys pulled. What is the meaning of pulled? हाँ, खींचना, खींचना, धक्का देना नहीं, धक्का देना तो पुश होता है. Pull means खींचना. Pulled a monkey's tail. Quickly write. Full stop.
मैम आंसर
द मंकी स्लैप्ड, आगे लिखते जाओ, द मंकी स्लैप्ड डैश चीक, CHEEK, cheek. What is the meaning of cheek? The monkey slapped dash cheek. Cheek का क्या मतलब होता है? What is cheek?
मैम
गाल, right? Cheek. And took away a few of dash bags. And took away a few of dash bags. Full stop.
मैम 5 सेंटेंस मैम 4 sentences done.
नहीं, ये पैराग्राफ है ना, ये लास्ट वाला भी करना है.
Sorry but I am reading मैम that's why.
ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम. लास्ट वाला लिखो. वी वर फ्राइटेंड and the naughty boy
मैम we were fighting.
frightened means, what is the meaning of frightened?
मैम there ना.
हाँ, नहीं, फाइट नहीं कर रहे हैं. फ्राइटेंड, FRIGHTENED, फ्राइटेंड. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फ्राइटेंड? अफ्रेड, टेरिफाइड. तो क्या है मीनिंग? इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? बोलो. अफ्रेड, टेरिफाइड की मीनिंग क्या होती है? अफ्रेड किसे बोलते हैं? डर जाना. यस, तो वी वर फ्राइटेंड, हम डर गए. एंड द नॉटी बॉय शाउटेड फॉर हेल्प at the top of dash voice. And the naughty boy shouted for help at the top of dash voice. Full stop. And the naughty boy shouted for help at the top of dash voice. Full stop. Now quickly do the exercise. चलो जल्दी से बोलो. First sentence. Read the first sentence.
Ma'am, our school bus was late, so we waited under a tree.
Our school bus was late, so we waited under a tree. Next one. जल्दी बोलो. We kept dash bags. क्या होगा?
Ma'am, we get our bags.
We kept our bags under a tree and we played in dash shade. Dash shade में क्या आएगा? किसका शेड? ट्री के शेड की बात हो रही है, तो कौन सा वर्ड लगेगा? इट्स शेड, ITS लिखो. इट्स मीन्स इसका. We kept our bags under a tree and we played in its shade. Next one. Some monkeys were sitting on the trees with dash tails. With their tails hanging above our heads. One of the boys pulled a monkey's tail. The monkey slapped dash cheek. On तो नहीं लगेगा ना, इसमें सिर्फ पॉजिटिव लगेगा. His cheek. The monkey slapped his cheek and took away a few of dash bags. Few of few of our bags भी कर सकते हो, या their. हाँ ठीक है, नहीं यहाँ their करना है, आर नहीं करना है. One of the boys pulled a monkey's tail. एक बच्चे ने, एक लड़के ने उसके पूंछ को खींचा. द मंकी स्लैप्ड हिज चीक एंड टुक अवे. हाँ ठीक है, आवर करो. एंड टुक अवे अ फ्यू ऑफ आवर बैग्स. एंड लास्ट लाइन क्विकली. वी वर फ्राइटेंड and the naughty boy shouted for help at the top of dash voice. क्या होगा?
Ma'am, at top of dash.
Voice, VOICE, voice. No, we were frightened and the naughty boy shouted for the help at the top of. Boy की बात हो रही है, एक naughty boy is single, one boy. At the top of.
This boy.
This क्यों होगा बेटा? यहाँ his, her, your, my, our ये सब लग रहा है ना? You are being confused. कुछ restless हो रहे हो. I don't know why. At the top of his voice. उसने अपनी आवाज पूरे full उसमें pitch में वो चिल्लाया. Understand? Now it is all for today. Take care and practice these words. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thanks for today's class.
Welcome. I hope all of you have understood how to use possessives, how to use demonstratives, and next in our next video I will tell you about the uses of distributives. What are the distributive words and how to use them. Thank you. Take care. Good day.